Good morning, good morning. It's another day from Los Angeles. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video, the first upload from our little trip here. Now, it is still pretty early in the morning, before 8 o'clock, and we are going to an event called Sunset GT. Now, this is especially awesome because it will be the biggest or largest gathering of Lamborghini Huracan Performantes in the world. We have a definite of 11 Performantes registered, but there might be as many as 15. So of course, the doc here with his Performante is one of the organizers of this whole event. I don't really know exactly what to expect, except for it being a lot of awesome cars. Not just Performantes, it's gonna be a bunch of different Lamborghinis and supercars and so on. And we're actually in a bit of a hurry here, so let's get on the road. All right, so before we jump in and leave here, if you haven't had time to watch yesterday's video yet, you should, but give you a little rundown of the car here. It's a 5.2 liter V10, 550 horsepower, 398 pound-feet of torque. Tires are 19-inch, and they are 295 30 19 in the rear, and 235 35 19 up front. Fully spec'd, $190,000 MSRP new. Now the interior has full carbon fiber options. Seats are extremely comfortable. To be a supercar, I mean, it's like pleasant in here. We were doing fast and windy canyon driving yesterday, and they're perfectly molded. They hold you in place, and compared to the Doc's Performante that has fully carbon fiber bucket seats, it's like sitting on rocks. This is very comfortable. It's like an S-Class Mercedes. So we have the 7-speed dual clutch transmission, and with no further ado, let's do a cold start. Kind of boring that you have a regular Audi key. Looks just like my old Volkswagen Jetta key as well. Flip it up. V10 sounds so good. We have the Audi AMI system. I'm actually not that versed with this system right here, but so far I'm not, you know, head over heels over the moon about it. And another weird thing is this one has the CD changer as an option, which means that you don't get a USB port. Why are you interrupting me?
I'm getting your camera so we can show the driveway.
Yes.
How bad it is.
Here's another problem. Driving these cars, at least where we're at, this car doesn't have a lift either. The Huracan does. It's pretty much impossible to get onto a steep driveway and get out on a regular road. So Alex is gonna show us here by holding the camera. All right, so here we go. This is the tricky part of getting down this driveway with this car. You gotta cut it really sharp here.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Slow, slow. Go straight. Slow. Yep, just keep going straight. Perfect. Slow. Keep going.
It's nerve-wracking. Now we're going three-wheeling.
Yep, you're three-wheeling it. All right, keep going straight. Don't turn. Yeah. I know. We've learned our lesson.
Now it's the Huracan's turn, but before he gets down there, we'll be watching from here. Oh, it's close too. Like I said, he has a lift, so it helps. He's about to go three-wheeling. There we go, three-wheeling. Turning radius is pretty good. And here's the big difference. You have to have this car in sport mode. It is like a Volkswagen Jetta in regular mode. And then the gear lever, you don't really have a park. You put it in neutral like that, and then you have to pull the handbrake, and then you put it in automatic. Slap it one more time, and you see it's in manual here, and that's where I always drive. You can shift gears up and down here, or use the paddle shifters, which I obviously do. All right, we got a Murcielago 430. We got a C7 Corvette. I don't even know if it's C06. I think it's a Grand Sport. Man, that is a beautiful Performante. All right, so this color is actually called Verde Themis. I just learned. I didn't know that beforehand. Look at the spec. Wow. And over here we got an SV. Oh, that's Norbert. Hey, how are you? Wow, you are cute. Look at that. What's your name?
It's Lady.
It's Lady. Wow, you're the biggest dog I've ever seen. Bye-bye. Okay, so we're pulling up to Sunset Plaza. Good turnout here already. What's up? So we're here at Sunset GT, and I met these two guys. They're just starting their YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Have you had one for a while? Or
Yeah,
what's the deal?
200 subscribers.
200 subscribers.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So what's the name of the channel again?
Vlog Nation, GWAAB Nation, space slave.
And mine is KZ Vlogs, CAZY Vlogs.
That's the gaming channel.
That's awesome, man. Check them out. Check them out. I love meeting subscribers. Yeah, look at this camera setup, man. That's good. Better than me.
The cheapest cameras.
I got this little point and shoot. You guys are like serious.
I want the G7X.
I just got it, man. I love it. It's small. It's too big for me, man. I'm used to like vlogging with GoPro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? All right, man. Check them out.
Thanks, bro.
People go crazy over the Bugatti. Look at this. As you guys might be able to tell, we're out here at Sunset GT, and it's amazing. Bugatti Chiron. Rumor has it though, we have a Koenigsegg coming this way. I don't know which one it is, but that's what I want to see.
How are you, dear? I know.
I don't really know what his problem is.
I don't even know
What's up with that guy? Oh my God, look at that 458. God, I love this car. Man, that is beautiful. We got an OG Performante.
Lampo next to the tent. We've got a few of them behind you as well. Hey, good morning. A little crowded.
All right, so it's 11 o'clock. In a hurry here. We're about to leave. Stupid R8 still has a regular key. Gotta unlock it. But I met a lot of you subscribers. And I want to say thank you for coming up and saying hello. That means the world to me. That's awesome. Now I don't really know where we're going. I'm sure we'll find out soon here. Okay, so we're apparently going on a canyon drive. We're going to Malibu first. So a bunch of Lamborghinis. We're in a big caravan here. All right, so we got a massive fuel stop going on here in Malibu. What up? Hey, get the fuck out of my face. So I might get demonetized. Stop saying fuck on my channel. All right, fuel stop is done. Everyone is leaving. We got the dock right over here. Beautiful white Performante right here. We actually got like 3 black Performantes too. I love them. SV. It's heaven. right, so we just had an amazing dinner at Nobu with, I think it was up to 13 other Performante owners. Awesome experience. Automotive is going to drive the R08 back. I'm going to take a ride in Doc's Performante since I've only been in it once. But I think the sun's going down here, so I'm probably going to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite moment was. It's been absolutely awesome. Best driving roads I've ever been on in my life. Today was actually better than the previous video when we drove through the canyons. It was just awesome. I think there's more coming of that as well. So yeah, until next time, if you're stopping by the way, for the first time and you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.